Good morning, happy Friday. I'm in a different location today, but we are not going to let that stop us. So let's get started. So, hint, every time you see a colored box, it means you have to type or complete an activity. So for today, you are going to read an article about a project that an artist started to memorialize the victims of a tragic fire in the early 1900s. So 145 workers were killed as a result of unsafe conditions in the workplace. And because of the fact that their death seems almost not accidental, but as a result of the fact that their conditions were not safe, a lot of people were really angry about this happening. So this event really created a lot of change in the workplace so that more safe conditions were created. So you're going to read the article. I'll show you the putting slides on presenter view. Next slide. And then you're going to view, or then you're going to answer the questions that follow and complete the activity. All right, so this is the next slide. The article is a screenshot, so you're just reading this screenshot, and then after you read, you're going to answer what motivated Ruth to begin this project. That's going to be your first typing of this lesson. So you're going to say, she was motivated because blah, 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 or she was motivated by blah, blah, blah. Whatever you want, however you want to word it is how you're going to type it in. So I'm actually going to show you. It is a screenshot, so you can't make it larger by like clicking on it or anything like that. It doesn't fill the screen, but what you can do, I will show you, is put your screen on presenter view. So all you need to do is go up to this box, click present. So after you go up here, you click present, it is going to make the screen larger. I hope that this is recording, and then it's going to have the entire article larger as well. I really hope that that actually recorded that happening, but if it didn't, just know that you need to click presenter view. So once you click presenter view, it'll make it much larger, easier to read, and you will be able to see it a lot better. If you can see it just as looking at it like this, feel free to just look at it like this and see it as well. Okay, so the activity you're going to complete. So you're going to think, I'm going to move my face so I get myself out of the way. Okay. You are going to think of an individual or an event that has impacted you that deserves to be honored. On the next page, you're going to create your own chalk memorial. Then on the following slide, you're going to write a brief journal entry to describe your choice. So if you create your memorial based on a person, you're going to describe why you chose that person. If you create it based on an event, you're going to describe why you chose that event. So the directions are going to be a little wonky to follow, but I'm actually going to show you myself. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do, here are the directions. It goes step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is choose your color. So I personally love yellow, so in my memorial, I'm going to start by changing my color. So I'm going to change my color, and I like this pretty yellow that I'm actually making all of your boxes. So now I have my color, yellow. Yellow is my color. Next, I'm going to pick my font. So I'm going to go over here. What font do I like? I can go through all of these. I want to make sure that it's a font that you can actually read. So something like this, I'm not going to choose because, first of all, who can do chalk art in that font? Come on. I like this one, so I'm going to pick that one. And then I'm going to write my memorial. Okay, so and then jump down and then write more about my dad. So my father has been the most integral part of my growing to be the person I am today. That's the first part of my memorial. And then I'm going to keep writing blah, 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 and blah, blah, blah. And then if you notice, step 4 says delete all text except your creation. So then I'm going to go through here and delete. So now all that is left is my memorial. Okay, so that's exactly what you're going to do. And after you do that, you're going to go to the next slide. and you are going to write your own journal entry talking about why you chose the person you chose or why you chose the event that you chose. Okay, so you're going to write your entry, blah, blah, blah. It should be probably around 3-4 sentences. I think we can do 3-4 sentences for this, especially because it's something personal to you. So it should be something that you find kind of easy to talk about. All right, that is it for today. Attendance check-in, please do that. Live questions, please use it. You have not yet, so please make sure that you do that. And that's it. I'll see you Monday.